Guys, welcome to N.P. Detailing, my channel. Hit subscribe. Right, next couple of days job, I got an Audi A5 3 litre, which is a full detail, so interior, exterior, engine bay, and the customer also wants a carbon clean, so I'm going to be doing that on the engine. So I thought I'd take you around the car. It's not been washed in a while, so you know, you will see how dirty it is, and it's pretty bad. Interior is not too bad though, so take a look. Cheers. Right, here it is. The wheels here, a bit scuffed up. Bonnet, it is dirty, as you can see with the light difference. So it needs a good, I'll probably wash this about 2 or 3 times, to be honest, before I even start with the polishing. It's got quite a few scratches, so it needs a good going over. It's got filler on this panel here, which I think it's been in a smash before, and the paint's different on both door and rear quarter panel. So yeah. Right, so look at the interior. Seats, leather seats need a good clean and conditioning. So obviously cracking. Sorry about the glare from the sun. I don't think the rear seats get used much, to be honest, but still give them a good clean. So yeah, carpets are not too bad. So look at the engine bay. So I'll do the engine, give it a good clean, and a carbon clean as well. That should make this 3 litre go like a rocket. Probably does already, to be honest, but looking at there you go. So pretty filthy, I'd say. Nice before and after. So yeah, as I said, it's going to take me about 2 days for a full in and out, maybe more depending on the weather. And obviously, if anyone knows of any units going in the Leicester area, give me a shout, get in touch. npdetailing@gmail.com. Don't forget website www.npdetailing.com, and please subscribe to my channel and watch out for the after pics. Should be interesting, bit of a challenge on my hands, but yeah, see you then. And 2 days later, here it is, all done. Paint correction, interior. I'll take you around the car. driving bay, nice, looking good. Let's run it down. Interior, looking good. That driver's seat was real bad. The amount of grime that came out of that seat was real bad. That was grimy as well. Driver's side. Might as well look at the back. Got leather conditioner on there. It's completely dry, the seats. They've been nourished. Check out the driver's side. See, these bolsters they've had it, so can't do nothing about that. Nice carpets. I do engine carbon cleans as well as detailing. So if anyone's interested, email npdetailing@gmail.com. There's an offer at the minute, £50 for an engine clean. I don't think anyone does it cheaper, but it takes 1 hour, instant results. It's really good for the engine. I've done quite a few cars and bikes as well, and everyone's said it's positive. So that's another car done. Don't forget to hit subscribe on YouTube and on Facebook, N.P.DETAILING. I'm sure you'll find me on there. Hit the like button. Check out images, videos. Yeah. So, catch you on the next one, which is an interior on a 2 Series.